Meaning of handbag.
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 Handbag. A handbag is a small bag with a handle that is carried in the hand or over the wrist. Usually used by women to carry personal items such as a wallet, keys, makeup, and other necessities. Handbags come in various shapes, sizes, materials, and designs. They can be made of leather, fabric, or synthetic materials. Popular types of handbags include tote, clutch, shoulder bag, crossbody, satchel, and hobo. Handbags have become an essential fashion accessory, often used to complement an outfit or make a statement.